Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Marant Tech. Today, we're diving into a realm of innovation that's sure to leave your jaw on the floor. I'm talking about the kind of inventions that redefine what we thought was possible. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our mind-blowing content. Let's get started. Our journey kicks off with an invention that sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Nanohealer. Imagine a world where microscopic robots cruise through your bloodstream, repairing damaged cells with unparalleled precision. This is not a scene from a futuristic fantasy. It's the Nanohealer, a game-changer in the field of medicine. These tiny wonders could revolutionize healthcare as we know it. From treating diseases at their root to accelerating post-surgery recovery, the Nanohealer holds the potential to reshape the way we approach healing. Think of it as a personalized repair crew working tirelessly to mend your body from the inside out. Now, let's talk about an invention that's setting the stage for a sustainable future, SolarSkin. Get ready to witness the fusion of aesthetics and renewable energy like never before. Imagine turning regular surfaces like windows, walls, and even clothing into solar panels. It's not just about harnessing sunlight, it's about seamlessly integrating technology into our surroundings. Picture this, a world where skyscrapers and homes become energy sources, powering our lives in an eco-friendly way. SolarSkin isn't just a leap in solar technology. It's a visual statement that shows how innovation can merge seamlessly with our everyday lives. Brace yourselves for the transportation revolution that's about to blow your mind. HyperLoop 2.0. Say goodbye to hours spent in traffic jams and hello to traveling at near supersonic speeds through vacuum tubes. This is the stuff of science fiction becoming reality right before our eyes. Imagine hopping into a pod and zooming between cities faster than you can blink. HyperLoop 2.0 isn't just about speed. It's a glimpse into a future where transportation becomes efficient, sustainable, and accessible to all. It's like a roller coaster for commuters, minus the loops and with a side of mind-blowing innovation. Time to bring the future into our homes with the HomeAI Assistant. Think of it as your very own high-tech sidekick, managing tasks, adjusting your environment, and even predicting your needs. It's like having a personal assistant, but one that's powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. From adjusting the lighting and temperature to brewing your coffee just the way you like it, the HomeAI Assistant takes automation and convenience to a whole new level. It's not just about smart homes, it's about homes that understand and cater to your lifestyle like never before. Let's dive deep into the unexplored mysteries of our oceans with the Aquabot Explorer. This underwater drone is our ticket to uncovering the hidden wonders beneath the surface, from vibrant marine life to untouched ecosystems that hold the key to our planet's health. With the Aquabot Explorer, scientists and researchers can study marine environments up close, gathering invaluable data that could shape our understanding of the oceans. It's like having a front-row seat to a live documentary about the wonders of underwater life. Now, let's shift our focus from the depths of the ocean to the heart of urban living with the SkyGrow Tower. Imagine having a vertical garden that produces fresh, locally grown produce right in the middle of a bustling city. It's a revolution in agriculture that's sprouting right before our eyes. With its automated systems and advanced LED lighting, the SkyGrow Tower maximizes space and efficiency, making urban farming a reality even in the most crowded areas. This isn't just about growing food, it's about changing the way we think about sustainability and self-sufficiency. And now, for the grand finale, the Galactic Voyager. We're talking about commercial space travel that could take you beyond the stars. Imagine floating in zero gravity, witnessing Earth from space, and experiencing the ultimate adventure of a lifetime. The Galactic Voyager isn't just reserved for astronauts. It's opening up the cosmos to everyday people who dream of exploring the final frontier. It's a reminder that our boundaries are only limited by our imagination, and this invention proves that even the sky isn't the limit anymore. And there you have it, folks. A glimpse into a world where imagination becomes reality through mind-blowing inventions. These innovations aren't just about pushing boundaries, they're about reshaping the very fabric of our lives. If you're as blown away as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with fellow enthusiasts who believe in the power of innovation. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling journey. Remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more groundbreaking content that will keep your mind racing and your curiosity ignited. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep embracing the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. Stay connected with us by subscribing and checking out our previous videos on mind-blowing discoveries and cutting-edge technology. We'll catch you in the next adventure.